Hi folks, I'm Travis, recent graduate from Lincoln Tech. I'm also a veteran. Joining you today to talk about the 2014 Corvette Stingray. Again, in 2014 this was kind of a milestone. It was the first year they brought back the Stingray. Kind of controversial at the time because it brought back all of the angular parts of the Corvette, which being from around the past few years, I mean, definitely going to be controversial. The sleek design is like the first thing that pops out at you. After that, come up here, open up the hood, and you'll notice that it's carbon fiber. Huge weight reduction. Total vehicle weight coming in around 3,300 to 3,400 pounds. Powered by a 6.2 liter V8. Variable valve timing. Cylinder shutoff, which also gives it an EPA estimated 29 miles per gallon on the highway, which for a 6.2 liter, that's pretty awesome. Although 17 in the almost 17 in the city when you're getting after it. They come standard with a 7-speed manual transmission. This one comes with a 6-speed automatic with paddle shift. You can upgrade that and get the Z51 package. It's a little more pricey, but it would give you the larger wheels, larger brakes for more stopping power, and better seats. Moving along here to the back, notice the fairings and stuff. Gives that angular look, that breathable look, the fast look. This vehicle comes in two styles, coupe and convertible. The convertible, you can remove the hood, or you have the full power back. When you remove the roof, you can click it in right here in the trunk. You can lift it up to put stuff under, put it back down. But this one also has the largest trunk space in its class. Going to that, you come up here. 2 fingers to open the door. It's a little push button. The seats in the 2014, they had a lot more support, a lot more track feel. When you get that Z51 package, you also get the sports seats as well as the 7-speed manual. Very comfortable feel. They put a smaller steering wheel in it, easier to turn, and starting it up, you notice that it's got a nice rumble. Heads-up display, it's all digital, and you also get a nice little tack there. Makes a good sound. This vehicle also did come with a 255 to 260 horsepower, and that's varied by the exhaust bypass, so you basically cut out the muffler and get that little extra sound. Sounds great going down the track, but it also helps when you add in that variable valve timing. It's a fun car to drive, whether on the track or down the road. Great touring car as well. Thanks for joining us. If you want to see this car, just come to your local Lincoln Tech.